Det är gott jøgga.
Ja, faktiskt. Smakar pommes.
Well, you don't believe there's a God in heaven with a good news to impart.
Bra, det kanske så eller?
You've already decided, so you never invited Jesus into your heart. Or would you change your story if you knew that glory was waiting on the other side? Will you make it into heaven or will you get left behind? Well, I guess it all depends on when you change your mind. When you change your mind, you're gonna find the love of God and sing about amazing grace. Wait a little while and you're gonna believe and meet Him face to face. Will you make it into heaven or will you get left behind? Well, I guess it all depends on when you change your mind.
Let's say more.
If the world believes it's a fairy tale they heard about in Sunday school, and they think that maybe we're a little crazy living by the golden rule, or when they hear the trumpet on the day of judgment, we see it in a different light. Will they make it into heaven or will they get left behind? Well, I guess it all depends on when they change their mind. When you change your mind, you're gonna find the love of God and sing about amazing grace. Or you can wait a little while and become a believer when you meet Him face to face. Will you make it into heaven or will you get left behind? Well, I guess it all depends on when you change your mind. Well, will they get into heaven or will they get left behind? Well, I guess it all depends on when you change your mind.